Hi, this is Neeraj Jaswal and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I am going to show you how to align this bottom row as per our requirement. As you can see in the reference calculator app, the Mac calculator app, you can see that 0 is occupying the half of the bottom row. But in our design, it is occupying 1/3. So we need to lay out in a proper way so that it looks like this. So let us go ahead and make some changes to our design. We'll go to the fifth row. There we have the three buttons, num0, dot and equals button. So what I am going to do is I am going to add two more panels out here. Now the next thing which I want to do is, right now this will not work out if I add the num button here under them. As you can see, these two panels don't have the any layout, and the second panel, although the first panel is working correctly right now, the second panel basically doesn't shows the dot button. That's because equals to is added after the dot button. So let me just name this as panel and I'll name this panel as panel. Now even if I add a horizontal layout here, it will not solve our purpose. Even if the child controls the size, again it comes back to the same thing. So what we have to do is we'll add another panel as a child here, and we will drag these two buttons to this panel, and now we'll remove this horizontal layout group from here, and instead we will add it here to the child panel. And check this child control size, width and height. The next thing which we need to do is make sure what I did was I did alt set position and or also the stretch. So you make sure that you press the alt button to choose this option, and now as you can see the buttons are aligned and they are working correctly. We can test out in another aspect also. So it's now aligning properly in all the aspects. So this is how basically we wanted our buttons to get aligned. So that's all in this episode. I'll see you in the next episode. So happy coding and keep rocking.